Spartan Terrace is our restaurant. It is a student-run restaurant.
We serve lunch on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
It's a full coursed out lunch followed by dessert.
Spartan Terrace is a learning environment where students are allowed to experience a real-world situation where they're learning how to serve, and they also learn about production.
So we have culinary arts, pastry arts, and then hospitality management.
We're not just one person doing a task, we're a team working together to create an experience.
It's like being in a restaurant, but it's just like 10 times more fun.
It gives you more of a real-world setting rather than just a classroom setting.
This will equip them with the experiences they need to be a success in the industry.
You get out of it everything if you want it, you know, because they give you all the tools to succeed. So it's like you just gotta grab them and use them.